This Earth Day week, Channel Island Family Dental is excited to share how we're turning every day into Earth Day with sustainable oral care practices that protect our planet. Join us at our locations in Oxnard, Santa Paula, Ventura, Newberry Park, and Port Hueneme. Let's make a difference together. Why do we emphasize sustainable oral care products? Because every choice we make can help reduce plastic pollution. From bamboo toothbrushes to compostable dental floss, we're dedicated to providing options that not only care for your teeth, but also care for our Earth. Earth-friendly toothbrushes? Check. Made from sustainable materials, these toothbrushes help reduce landfill waste and are just as effective as plastic ones. Compostable dental floss? Absolutely. It breaks down naturally, meaning less plastic in our oceans. Using products like organic toothpaste means avoiding harsh chemicals, promoting not just oral health but also a healthier planet. And with eco-conscious mouthwash, you reduce both waste and water use every time you rinse. And we don't stop there. Our commitment extends to reusable floss picks and plastic-free packaging, supporting a circular economy that benefits everyone. Imagine this: conserving water with every brush. By simply turning off the tap while brushing or using a cup for rinsing, our patients save gallons of water every day, which adds up to a huge impact. Prefer electric toothbrushes, choose our solar-charged models to reduce energy consumption, and remember to unplug when not in use. Every little bit helps. Supporting local and sustainable brands isn't just good for the environment, it's good for our community too. By making your own toothpaste or mouthwash, you can cut down on waste and chemicals. This Earth Day and every day, choose sustainable oral care with Channel Island Family Dental. Visit us in Oxnard, Santa Paula, Ventura, Newberry Park, and Port Hueneme. Let's smile brighter and live greener together. Book your appointment now and take a step toward a sustainable future. Happy Earth Day from all of us at Channel Island Family Dental.